Video, 5 years ago video. Unfortunately, Moon 10 leaked the 10 year, the about 5 years ago video. Or 4 years ago video. Right? My pleasant viewers, remember telling you this straight. Because I'm a girl, you know I'm a girl. Straight from the pack, I'm going to put my mouth around to and talk. Any video out there with my MMOM, don't have nothing to do with me.
Hi y'all, it's your girl Annabelle Ames back with the live with Rosealee. Mr. Guys, 1E pasa. Please like, share, comment, and please subscribe. Bye bye y'all. Mwah.
Moon 10 leaked the whole long time video, 5 years ago video. Unfortunately, Moon 10 leaked the 10 year, the about 5 years ago video. Or 4 years ago video. Right? My pleasant viewers, remember telling you this straight. Because I'm a girl, you know I'm a girl. Straight from the pack, I'm going to put my mouth around to and talk. Any video out there with my MMOM, don't have nothing to do with me. My mother breed me and have me when she was 15. She never get to live out her days. She live it out now at 40 wholly. My mother so 50. That she want bite, cha, chew or cha. That's for her business. So when nasty mackerel come talk about me embarrassed of our mackerel, my type of telling you know. It's when they come out to certain judgment on TikTok when you have to get themselves involved. Mackerel may have you in my phone and eat cock with the eye go so. You know, I have you never shame why am I mother for shame? Hey mackerel? It's just a germs. I expose another germs. I'm tired of telling you that. It's just a germs I expose and like I so see mackerel up on the video. All madman you want mackerel crutches. It just a germs I expose another germs. You know, you said me not give you no coming up. Me no one on the phone. No. Alright. Anyway, see Moon 10 the chat. What's going on Moon 10? Me not gonna bring him down, you know. Me not gonna bring him down. Come and see the influence of leaking old Shay. Me not gonna bring him down. Me gonna talk to him precisely. How what is sir? How what is sir? How can I judgment this? Warm to you. Lift up. Pass the rum cream in the freezer. Moon 10, me not gonna bring you down. I know you're a date today. Me at mackerel me at top. But I'm gonna skip on you. I'm gonna tell you the daily basis at TikTok. Right? Alright. Mackerel, when you come out to a certain video, me know where you know for up me out. Mackerel, me have you in my phone and eat all dick sweetie. You see when a video they come up by your baby father, you know, says it's a gay lad sent me for IG. I'm never the trouble you. I'm never the trouble in mackerel. And your baby father want to come disrespect me. Right? As somebody say, Rosealee the boy can't in an argument you can see me. Oh this don't man, me can't do that now, my baby. I think I'm a different don't man, you know. Can't block me. Me can't block you. Say I'm a baby father. No! Moderator, no! I'm a baby father. No, you can't do that to my baby father. Make him stay. My baby father. I'm a baby, make him stay. Me not for add him, can't come. Me no. Dunceman, me not for add Bunceman pan the live. Dunceman can't talk to me every day face to face. Him too enough. Me not add him. Me not going to add him. Me not add him pan no live. Him not have to come about add pan no live. Him can't call me anytime. Him can't pull up on my foot now. Power top strap. Me no walk soon. Me no walk and dig up dirt pan body for liberty up your blood clot. Me can't look for you say now live no life. Me never come in a mortal come back pan no girl. I dig up with your mama and your ancestors for liberty and say now live no life. Like how me can tell TikTok say the set you will share slung is our bed. Like me can look on and tell to the set you will share slung is our bed. I remember said destiny, remember said the student fucking living and find little. It can't hold nothing. So when they set it at the bed space, me not have to dig up no dirt. Them can't go for walk and dig. No mackerel, me don't have for you yet, you know. Mackerel, what me for shame for? My viewers, them know me no shame. My mother soon 50-year-old. My mother a big woman. If my mother want lick, bite, chew or chat, that nothing to do with me. The video wanna have with me, send it out. I'm still away upon it. Who don't have to use my mother? Now nobody forget to me. Send it out. My mother 40 old heap. My mother have me after 15. A long time my mama or I'm proud. Anything what you want to do with how much supposed to do with it. Anything at all. Anything at all. Moon tend to have a post mackerel because mackerel man on nobody. You understand? And me would have never said Moon tend is mackerel go post it. You understand? But me know them are potential germs. My mother fought well, she can do anything with her blood clot mouth. If my mother want to use ya, now have nothing to do with me. Me not own you. What people do does not reflect on me. You understand? Well, my mother not nothing to do with me. I say, ooh, what is the pan her life? A wine. And what on a donor? What on a caddy? What is the pan her life? A wine. And donor ask her, sure, you know, it is a wet so. You ain't none of that type of wet, so what kind of wet it be? Okay.
As reach back from white toilet to blood clot, me feel laugh, me pull on me shot.
You sure I come here, Rosealee, fun and joke at her. You sure that is senior, you know? You sure that don't you ask her you did
Yeah,
it?
yeah, that's him ask her.
I'm not think Rosealee tell lie.
Come tell you. Him take off because the ask her what kind of wet that. Or I know you wet so. And she says not that type of wet. That in alright, can you play mind game? We no go tell him a true. Cause me I make up story about people. She up on her head tap of wine.
No,
And
me
you
not
know,
tell lie. She
we know doing that. We are not bombs. She up on her head tap of wine. No, doing that him stay. With the glasses. Hello, I what do you with the bag of nice man?
I'm saying still bangles.
Sure.
Don't spread them size blood clot.
Thank you very much for that. The glam by big up on themselves for the guys.